How to fix Marvel Rivals not loading into game. Let's get started. First, launch it. Then navigate to the settings. Click on the settings option. Once you are over here, you have to customize these settings. First up, click on the option target display and set it to primary monitor. Likewise, for the display mode, set it to full screen. For the aspect ratio, select 16:9. For the resolution, set it to 1920x1980. For resolution type, set it to NVIDIA DLSS. Set resolution mode to the quality. Set frame generation mode to AMD FSR3. Likewise, for low latency mode, set it to NVIDIA. Then you can adjust the brightness. Likewise, scroll down and you can customize these settings. Set it to the minimum. Then head towards the section of graphic. Click on the very first option, graphic quality. Set it to low. With this, all the settings under graphic will be converted to the low. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Now you can click on apply. Then click on confirm. With these settings customization, your game will run. Now you are able to play Marvel Rivals without any interruptions. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.